Guess who found the succulents? I did it. Is my mirror okay? Hi, hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. If you're new here, hi. My name is Danielle. You should definitely subscribe because we're rearranging my entire room on a whim. But basically, school is starting for me in like 5 days, and since I do school in my room, I kind of want to have like a refreshed space because I've been getting bored of my room, as I do like every 6 months. So we're just gonna be rearranging the entire thing, and I'm gonna be getting some new decorations just to kind of like freshen up the space, you know? Okay, we are literally mid-renovation right now. This is what our room looks like. It is okay. It is horribly messy, but we moved Irene's bed, which was supposedly immovable, and we moved it. We feel very strong right now. Cooking. Bruh. What are you doing? Girl. Y'all, this bed is so heavy, and it doesn't look that heavy, but it is like almost immovable. It's so heavy, it's annoying. Alright, so basically this right here is where the TV used to be. We're moving it over onto the other wall and then moving the like couch thing onto this wall. So we're just kind of like switching them. So yeah, it's gonna be great. Okay, so we moved the futon and the TV plus both of our beds and like the nightstands and everything like that. And we are so tired. Dude, my back hurts. I think it's from moving your bed because the thing is so horribly heavy.
No reason to be.
Like, I don't know what it is that's so heavy because it's got like drawers and everything, and we took the drawers out and the top part of it isn't that heavy by itself. So it's literally just like the base of the bed, and it's so heavy. It's ridiculous. But anyway, so we've got everything moved around. We're not moving anything on the walls today because tomorrow we are going to at home so that we can grab some more decor, maybe some more wall stuff. It's gonna be so fun. That's like one of my favorite stores ever. I love room decor. Literally so much. Irene is casually dying in the background right now. Good morning, everyone. This is the fit for today. We're going real comfy because we're about to go room decor shopping so that we can redecorate this entire room, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm so ready. Combining two of my favorite things, shopping and room decor. Anyway, let's go. I think this clock might snatch it also. Hi. This is the state of the cart right now. Dude, we've literally been in here for like 15 minutes and we've already got so much stuff to put in our room. Like, I should not be allowed to roam free in like home decor stores because I can't control myself. Yo, y'all, that's my favorite verse. Let's go. Guys, guess who found the succulents? I literally might just get like some shelves so that I have room for more succulents and then buy more succulents. Like, Irene, do I need more pillows for my bed? Anyway, we are back. We got so much good stuff. I'm literally so freaking excited because I haven't redone my room in a really long time. I haven't bought room decor in a really long time. Don't chew on my hair. Don't chew on my hair.
I want to braid it.
Okay, go ahead. All right, so we're going to show you guys everything that we got. Bam. Fancy, snazzy makeup mirror. Give me some oohs and ahs.
Ooh. Ah.
There we go. These little like wall shelves that are like cubes, and I think those are gonna be really cute. This is something that I might need assistance putting up because you have to like drill into the wall and whatever, and I don't know how to use a drill. So is this beautiful wall hanging thing. I'm thinking that it's gonna replace my fishnet because my cat won't leave my fishnet alone. She literally just today, she just violently attacks it and then she knocks stuff off. And then it's just horrible.
No, that's not her.
Because I'm sick and tired of having to chase her away from it. I got this, and I think it's gonna be super
Bad
cute.
cat.
I'm thinking I'm gonna put this like
Pretty girl.
either above my bed or on the wall next to my bed, and then I'm kind of gonna make like a new recording space. So we're gonna freshen up the background and everything. It's gonna be great. I got this fluffy little pillow for my bed. Irene got the same one, but black for her bed. Show it off, show it off. Twinsies! Let's go!
Wait. Let's make a cookie.
A cookie? Like an Oreo, but without the
Yeah,
other Oreo top? We should have gotten 3 and just made an Oreo. And I think it's honestly one of, like, I think it's my favorite that I got today. Because it's, I don't know, it's just like, there's something about it that's just so cute. And I got this one. I think it's like the biggest succulent that I have. It's literally so cute. I love it. I'm obsessed. I got this cute little cactus. It's really adorable. Then I got this little pink clock that's gonna be so cute on like my nightstand and everything. There was a white one, but then I saw the pink one. And I always go for the pink because pink is like the best color in all of existence. Last thing is these like pink curtain lights that I'm super excited for. I know that my curtains are already pink. Stop that. But yeah, I got pink ones because I couldn't find like warmish yellowy ones. Oh my gosh. These little things, when they package stuff, are literally the bane of my existence because you can't cut them with scissors, and I would rather just like cut them off. I did it. Oh, dude, I don't need help.
Yay!
Yeah, I thought they were gonna have like little holes and you have to like drill into the wall and do like, what are those things called? Anchors. I thought I needed anchors. I don't need anchors. I was literally just sitting on the cardboard boxes for no reason. Hi y'all, we are in the process of putting up all of our decorations, moving everything around. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited for like the final reveal and when our room is gonna feel all fresh and rejuvenated. Irene, how are you feeling about it?
Moist.
Please be sticky, please be sticky. I think they're sticking.
Yay!
Okay, I can't decide what to do with this tapestry. I think I want to put it above my bed over there, but I kind of like it there too, but at the same time it's like weirdly in the center of the wall. It's like this box of like hanging stuff and I couldn't find them, so we're just using this little bag of nails that I found, and I'm hoping that they're strong enough to hold up the stuff that I want them to hold up, and if not, then yikes. Who needs to use a ruler to actually measure out where to put the nails when you can just eyeball it and hope that it turns out right? So here's what I'm thinking, because I'm thinking since I've got these, I'm gonna put them like around the good vibes and then have this wall just be like super interesting. Irene and I casually making videos at the same time. Right, is my mirror okay? Oh my gosh, thank goodness my mirror is okay. Alright, I'll put it on the wall with stickier stuff this time. Mortimer is getting a new home. He's gonna live in here now. He just fits so perfectly that he's staying there forever. Okay, time to try to hang this mirror again with stickier command strips that aren't gonna fall off and make me think that my mirror is broken. Who's like this? Okay, like 5 hours later, and we're finally finished redecorating. We got all the decor up, we got everything in its proper place. I'm literally so excited to show you guys. It's literally so cool. And it's like, I've been wanting to rearrange our room in this way since we first merged rooms and started like, sharing a room. And this is how I've always wanted it to like be. And it's perfect. I love it. All right, without further ado, time for a room tour. Start stuff. This is your first glimpse at the room. We got the futon over there. We got the TV there. That wall looks so empty now since that used to have the lights. But we're hoping to get like the TV like mounted on the wall so then it won't look as empty. But we got the lights over there. We got the curtain lights, which looks so cool. We got all the stuff on the walls, which my mom is just gonna absolutely despise because she's always like, you've got too much stuff on the walls. And then, yeah, it's fine. Then, oh my gosh, this is my wall. I'm literally obsessed with it. Like, it's so cute. And then the double mirrors. Get in your mirror. Let's go, double mirrors. Then, yeah, this is pretty much it. So anyway, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so we can hang out every time I make a new video. I hope you guys have a great day, great week, great month, great year, and I will see you in the next one.